Hello, welcome back to PhysicsGirl channel. Now, in this video, we have to discuss about the difference between bit, nibble, and byte. If we want to consider the data storing in computer or in memory, we have to discuss this important concept, that is a bit, nibble, and byte. So, we are able to store the data in the form of bit, nibble, and byte. So, first of all, we have to discuss about the what is a bit, and we know that any binary digit is a string of 0 or 1. That means the binary digit is represented either in the 0 or 1 form. That means low, high, or on, off, on. So in this way we are able to store the binary data in the form of only zeros and 1. So first of all we have to discuss about what is a bit. So definition of bit is that any single digit in a binary number represent bit. That means if we consider any binary number, suppose I am taking this binary number 1000, or I am taking only 4-bit number. Okay, so this is a 1001 is a binary number. That means it is a string of 0 and 1, and within that any single digit, that means which is either 0 or 1, that means only single digit is nothing but the bit. That means either 0 or 1. After that, what is a nibble? So definition of nibble is that the combination of 4 bits is called nibble. So in this example I have taken the combination of 4 bit. Okay, so that means there is a single bit, that is 1, after that 0, after that again 0, and after that again 1. So this is a combination of 4 bit, and which is nothing but the nibble. So this is total number, that is a total binary number, represent the nibble. And after that again byte. So what is a byte? The combination of 8 bits are called byte. Suppose I am taking this example. Okay, so in this example we have to find 8 combinations, that means 8-bit combination. That means suppose I am taking example 1001 and again 1. So this is the 8-bit combination. That means 1, there is a 1 bit, that is a 1, second bit 0, third bit 0, 4 bit is again 1, fifth bit is again 0, again 6 0, 7 0 and 8 is 7th one and 8 is 1. So this is a combination of 8 bit, and this is called as a nibble. Sorry, this is called as a byte. So this is a byte and this will represent nibble. Okay, and individual digit which is a present in a binary number is nothing but the bit. So this is the difference between the bit, nibble, and byte. Suppose I am taking one common example, and from that we have to identify what is a bit, what is a nibble, and what is a byte. So I am taking this example, that is 10001 001 1100. So in this number, so individual digit represent bit. That means here is a 0, it is 1 of bit. Here is again 1 of bit, 0 is also. So individual digit represent a bit which is either 0 or 1. And after that nibble. So we know that nibble is a combination of 4 bit. So suppose I am taking the combination of these 4 bit. So these are the 4 bits. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1000. So this is a combination of 4 bit, and which is nothing but the nibble. Second, that is a byte. So we know that byte is again combination of 8 bits. Suppose I am taking, these are the different 8 bits. That is 100001 001. So these are the total 8 bit. So the combination of 8 bit is nothing but the 1 byte. So this is the 1 byte. So in this way we are able to distinguish bit, byte, and nibble by using a corresponding binary number example and by its definition. So this is all about the difference between bit, byte, and nibble.